I usually make videos where I learn new skills, but there was one skill that I was missing to make everything better. And that was being a good YouTube video editor. So that's why, 1 year ago, I decided to learn everything I was missing to make great YouTube videos. And to learn all of it in one day. From learning to make transition, to color grading, and even sound design, and many more. And on top of that, I challenged myself to make an epic movie trailer at the end of it, to see how it looks when you combine everything. The first thing I wanted to learn was color grading, because that can change a video look, as you can see on the screen right now. This is the most boring part of video editing, I think, even if sometimes it makes great looks, but it's really long to do and it's really a pain in the ass. So now let's move on to the transitions, which are, in my opinion, the best part of video editing. Transitions can make the video feel way smoother and also give really funny moments and make the video way more enjoyable, I think. Usually when I make videos where I learn stuff, I show you the parts where I struggle and everything, but here I was already good at editing, it's just that I never took the time to learn all of that. And this video is more about seeing if after 1 day of learning, I can really step up my editing skills and make an epic movie trailer. And you'll tell me at the end of the video if I managed to do that and if it's not that bad for 1 day of learning. And now let's move on to learning how to use green screens, which for me was the third editing skill I wanted to learn to make great YouTube videos. It can be really helpful for many things like transitions and changing the background or many more effects. And one of the funniest effects you can do with it is the Harry Potter invisibility cloak. And you can also make really good transitions like this one. But every good video has a good sound design. So I decided to learn that as well because it can change everything in a video. Okay, you see what I mean. Now, one more example. I also needed to learn zooming and tracking. And of course, you can use it for transitions, and it also makes the video feel way more engaging. But for YouTube videos, you also need subtitles. In YouTube videos, it can really help to amplify a message. But now the question is, can I combine everything to make an epic movie trailer? And remember, I recorded this video 1 year ago for my French YouTube channel. I got really inspired by the movie The Batman, and here is what I did after 1 day. And by the way, I did all of the voices you will hear.
But you're just like me!
My only lie is me!
Burn with your city!
There's no you without you. You're helping them. You cannot help them from themselves.
I hope you've noticed how I've used these skills, and I hope you like my voices. And on my channel, I make a lot of other videos like this. And whether you're interested in drones or not, I really recommend you watch this video where I've learned to fly drones.